Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Graphic Galaxy Studio. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe and like. So let's get started. Changing colors in Photoshop is relatively straightforward, but the problem is hue saturation adjustment layer does not change the color of black. So how can you do that in this? So we use our trick in it to change our white and black colors. In this video, I will show you how to change a color to any color in Photoshop. So all we have to do is to create hue saturation adjustment layer, and I will use a polygonal lasso tool for the selection. Make sure that you are working with a photo of good quality for the best result. If you use a low quality image that has a lot of shadows, then you might have difficulty changing the color or changing it for realistic purpose. Click on the polygonal lasso tool, so make a selection around the car, those color you want to change, but the dark color is not selected. If you want to make a mistake, click on the reselections icon. This option will let you add to an existing selection, and this icon subtract from an existing selection. Selection is nice and good. Carefully make a selection so that no parts of it remain. Make sure that you are working with a photo of good quality for the best result. Use saturation adjustment layer. Let's open up. The adjustment, double click on the symbols of adjustment layer to open up the properties now. Inside of hue saturation adjustment layer, we will see a hand tool. Then change the color of car and get realistic result. You can also make it white or black. So if you want to make it white, that's also possible. Click the round icon below the layers and set the brightness and contrast. So we use our trick in it to change our white and black colors. Now I am going to make a black color, so we choose the luminosity in the layer panel. We will set the brightness 16 and contrast 87. This blending mode controls one or more color components. Use saturation, color and luminosity. We need to do this hand tool and click on it, then take our hue saturation all the way to the right and click to see which color is being selected. Then change the color of car and get realistic result. Turn it blue, red, black, green, yellow, every color. We can turn it white, blue, green, purple and any other color that's look more realistic. You can make it red, pink, whatever color you like. something today and enjoy this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button as it really does make a difference, and it also consider subscribing to stay up to date with more tutorials. Just like today, I am from Graphic Lexi Studio. I catch you back here next time or another new tutorial. See you. Thank you for watching Graphic Lexi Studio.